Ever scroll through YouTube and see a thumbnail that just screams, "Click me," and wish you could harness that same power for your own videos? Today, we're diving into Leonardo AI to show you exactly how to clone or replicate the style of any thumbnail you admire, creating winning designs for your content. First, let's deconstruct the thumbnail you want to emulate. Open it up and really look at it. What are the dominant colors? What's the lighting like? A circumflex euros. Is it bright and airy or dark and dramatic? Notice the font style and placement of any text. Are there specific graphic elements or illustrations? Think about the overall mood. A circumflex euros. Is it exciting, informative, or mysterious? Now, translate those observations into a detailed prompt for Leonardo AI. Start with a general description of the subject matter, then layer in those visual characteristics. Use descriptive words for colors, lighting, and composition, for example. Instead of just blue background, try electric blue gradient background with subtle lens flare. Mention the desired font style, like modern, bold, distressed sans serif font. Next, fine-tune your settings. Most YouTube thumbnails are in a 169 aspect ratio, so make sure that's selected. Choose the Leonardo AI model that best suits the style you're aiming for. Some models excel at photorealism, while others are fantastic for illustrative or abstract designs. Hit generate and watch the magic happen. Leonardo AI will present you with a variety of options based on your prompt. Don't expect a perfect clone on the first try. Treat these as starting points. Now, iterate if a design is close but not quite right. Use Leonardo AI's variation or remix features to explore subtle changes. You can also take a generated image that's almost there and make minor tweaks in a simple photo editor. Adjust colors, add your own text, or even overlay additional elements to perfectly match your vision and maintain that consistent brand aesthetic across all your videos. By mastering this technique with Leonardo AI, you'll streamline your thumbnail creation process, save time, and ensure every video you upload has a visually compelling and instantly recognizable look. Happy creating!